Ways to make a man invite you out. You may like a man very much, but how can you make him invite you out? Discover how to get a man to invite you out using this clever and intelligent advice. To help him understand that he can be invited out, here are some tips you can use. 1. Have a friend call you, couple. When you are chatting with that man, ask a trusted friend to join the conversation. Preferably if there are other people talking too, and suddenly, let your friend comment something like, "These two make a beautiful couple, don't they?" It is an uncomfortable statement, of those that make people laugh, but once said, no matter how embarrassed you pretend to be, that thought will stay in his head. 2. Use a friend to annoy him. Do not use all these strategies at the same time. Only use those with which you feel comfortable. The next time you're chatting with that man, tell your friend beforehand that she gets in the conversation. Ask her to tell the man that you obviously like him and to ask him when will he have the courage to ask you out. Of course, she must make it seem like a joke, and yet ask it seriously. It's simple and easy, and you avoid having to ask him out yourself. If he really likes you, he will take the opportunity to invite you out. 3. Invite him to join your plans. If you have already made plans with your friends for the weekend, bring the topic to the conversation when you are close to him and invite him to join. Tell him it will be fun to hang out together and go to see a new place. It is not at all a proposal, but it will be a good way to approach him. 4. Plans for the weekend. Ask him what he will do on the weekend, and when he tells you, pretend you are surprised and tell him that you are going to do the same. You can also tell him that it is something you have always wanted to do. This only works if both share similar interests. Obviously you can't lie on this subject, so be careful when it comes to sharing activities on the weekend. If he is interested in you, he may invite you to his activities, and who knows, may end up in something more romantic. 5. Let him know your routine. If a man is going to invite you out, he must miss you from time to time. Do you live nearby? So this may be the perfect way to spend some time together. During one of your conversations, tell him what you do every afternoon after work or university, especially if there is a coffee shop nearby where you can relax after the workday or go to the gym every day. If he lives nearby, there is a good chance that he will spend some time with you. If he knows your routine, he may want to meet with you in these places. Most of the time, love arises when you spend more and more time together, isn't it? 6. Get him to take you in his car. Should you do something you have pending after work? Try to meet this man and ask him to accompany you or help you with something. After your diligence, invite him to a coffee. Tell him is the least you can do for him for helping you out. Once you are in that kind of date, show him the best part of yourself to impress him. If you want to learn more about the ways to make a man invite you out, click or tap the link on the right or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.